This is vermicelli. You can add some water, and we need to soak this for at least half hour. Soak. This is the garlic. I soak it in water so that it's easy to peel, to remove the skin, or what they call this one, para mabilis mabalatan ang garlic. Kailangan ibabad sa tubig. And what you do is peel off the garlic and mince the garlic or chop into small pieces. This is the garlic that I peeled off. I need to crush the garlic first and then chop it into small pieces. Because if you use this one, it's not really fine. So I still need to use a big knife to chop into small pieces, because I want my garlic to be fine, very very fine, like a minced garlic, but it's not really minced. Like this, you can see it's not really big chop, it's not really very very fine, but it's perfect. Minced garlic is ready, so you can add some salt according to your taste. Or if you want some chicken powder, much more tasty, you can add some as well, a little bit. And you can add some oil. Now you can see the garlic with oil and some salt. Now time to cook the garlic. Now time to cook the minced garlic. At least few minutes to cook this until become slightly brown but not burned. After 3 minutes, the garlic changed into golden brown. So this is perfect. At least you will cook about 5 minutes with slow fire. Now, minced garlic is ready. I will trim and clean the prawns, devein as well, before I show you how to put the cooked minced garlic. Let's devein the prawns and trim. And after this, we need to rinse. Now we will rinse. We'll rinse the prawns. And 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 guys, you need to cut this. Use the scissor to go over to the body and open it. If you can still see this black thing, this one vein, remove it. See? Open like that. We can do all of the prawns. Open it like this. The black thing, you just remove it. So you do this process until you finish all the prawns. Yes. Like that. See? Very easy. Sometimes you miss some of the veins. So when you open the prawns, you can see the black thing. You just remove that. See? This is the way how to do it. Open. Open. This is the vermicelli soaked in water. Now we will transfer into a plate or steaming plate, at least a deep plate. You can put this here. And arrange it properly. This is the green prawns that we opened, and this is the cooked garlic with oil. So you just stuff the garlic into this body of the prawns like that. You can add the oil as well if you like that, and just put here. We can do like this. That. Arrange on a vermicelli plate. And next is you do same thing. You can use your hand quickly. Anyway, my hand's clean. That way more easy to do it like this. And here is my second. See, very easy if you use your hand. Continue doing it like that. There. Next time you can mince a little bit more garlic, because I have many prawns or few prawns here. And it's better. I stuff all the minced garlic into prawns, this is the outcome. It's ready to steam. Time to steam the vermicelli prawns. Prepare a wok with the steamer stand. Now we can put the prawns like that. Steam that for 10 minutes. Is over. Wow, you see that? After 10 minutes steam, that's the outcome. Very nice. Now, time to serve. Before we will serve, you can add some chopped spring onion. That's nice. Thanks for watching, guys.